What's up, guys? It's a new day. I just got a package in the mail. Thought I'd share it with you guys. It's pretty cool. On Amazon, you can get these OBD2 Bluetooth scanner readers for like anywhere from like $15 to $25. I paid like $18 shipped for mine. It's really cool though for you guys who are doing a ls1 swap or just anything that's OBD2. You can run your gauges digitally, and it's a much cheaper method than like autometer and stuff. It's not going to be your typical like race car setup though. Something about just having gauges and just the old school feel really gives a race car feel. But if you're on a budget and you just want something simple, I recommend buying one of these. The ls1 is probably the most popular, but it's pretty simple. Mind the mess. I haven't finished the dash swap and I haven't been messing with it yet, but all you do is you take your OBD2 reader. This is a PSI conversions harness, so you can get your OBD2 port with that. You just plug it in. It's a little harder with one hand. And it's got power. So once that's plugged in, you go to your phone or tablet, whatever you plan on using. Let's see. And you download Torque. This is Torque Lite. It's a free version. Just hit OK. And then you can do all sorts of stuff, all the different gauges and stuff you would like. So for this one, I've got my coolant, I've got my intake air temperature sensor, I got my RPMs, and then it's a GPS speedometer. That way you don't have to worry about what size tire you're running, what's your gear ratio. I bumped up to a 342 gear and a 28-inch tire, so my speedometer is way off. But pretty simple. Turn off those cooling fans. Okay. Cars and park. You can see my coolant's at 82 degrees. Cooling. Oh, I'm in reverse. Alright. So this. Alright, so I got my fans on. It's pretty cool though. You've got all sorts of different options. You can go to add display. You could do everything from air, fuel, 0 to 60s, acceleration sensors. This will measure all your G-forces and turning and stuff. Ambient air temperature, engine coolant, engine load, RPMs, fuel tank. You can check all your O2 sensors, everything on it, your GPS, mass airflow rate, your voltage, speed, your timing advance, voltage. So you got a lot of options. It's a pretty cool little app, considering this was completely free. I definitely recommend it to everybody. I plan on running a bigger tablet and running it in my center console instead. I still need to get this all set up and everything. Right now I'm still working out all the different wires and what they all do. But that's a that's an easy solution for you. So especially cheap considering I'm $20 invested into the whole thing. And it gives you everything you need to know. You can delete codes, you can troubleshoot, you can do whatever you want. So definitely recommend that to everybody.